Hey, I'm Victor. Want to learn about the fun holidays on May 6th? Whether you want to hang out with friends or relax on your own, there's something for everyone. Plus, a big shout out to all those who have a birthday or other special celebrations on this special day. National Wildfire Community Preparedness Day. National Wildfire Community Preparedness Day is an annual event that takes place on the first Saturday in May. The day is dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of wildfire preparedness and encouraging individuals and communities to take action to reduce their risk of wildfire damage. The event is organized by the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, in collaboration with state forestry agencies, fire departments, and other organizations. On National Wildfire Community Preparedness Day, communities may organize events such as community cleanups, creating defensible space, and hosting educational activities on wildfire preparedness. The goal of the day is to help communities understand the risks of wildfires and take proactive steps to reduce those risks. National Herb Day. National Herb Day is an annual celebration of the many benefits of herbs, held on the first Saturday in May in the United States. The day is dedicated to promoting the use and enjoyment of herbs for cooking, healing, and overall wellness. Herbs have been used for thousands of years for their medicinal properties, and are still widely used today for their healing and therapeutic benefits. They are also used in cooking to add flavor and nutrition to meals, and are a popular ingredient in many traditional and international cuisines. National Herb Day is a great opportunity to learn more about the many ways that herbs can enhance our lives, and to celebrate the rich history and diversity of these amazing plants. National Beverage Day. National Beverage Day is an annual observance in the United States celebrated on May 6th. The day is dedicated to recognizing the importance and enjoyment of beverages in our daily lives. The origins of National Beverage Day are unclear, but the holiday has been celebrated for many years as a way to appreciate the wide variety of beverages available to us and their role in our social lives and daily routines. On National Beverage Day, people may choose to enjoy their favorite beverages, whether it be a cup of coffee, a refreshing soda, a glass of wine, or a specialty cocktail. Overall, National Beverage Day is a fun and lighthearted observance that encourages us to appreciate the simple pleasures of life, like a good drink shared with friends and loved ones. International No Diet Day. International No Diet Day is an annual observance held on May 6 that promotes body acceptance and raises awareness about the dangers of dieting and the harmful effects of body shaming. The day was established in 1992 by British feminist Mary Evans Young as a response to the growing diet industry and the unrealistic beauty standards that were being perpetuated by the media. The aim of the day is to encourage people to embrace their natural body shape and size, and to reject the idea that thinness equals beauty or health. The day also serves as a reminder of the harmful effects that dieting and body shaming can have on mental and physical health, and encourages people to adopt more positive and self-affirming attitudes towards their bodies and their relationship with food. National Nurses Day. National Nurses Day is an annual observance held in the United States on May 6, and it marks the beginning of National Nurses Week. The day is dedicated to recognizing the contributions of nurses to the healthcare system and to society as a whole. National Nurses Day was first celebrated in 1954 to honor the contributions of nurses during the Korean War, and it has since become an important event in the healthcare community. On this day, hospitals and other healthcare facilities may hold events to honor their nursing staff, and communities may recognize local nurses who have made a significant impact. Nurses play a critical role in providing care to patients and are often the primary point of contact between patients and healthcare providers. They work in a variety of settings, from hospitals and clinics to schools, nursing homes, and community health centers. International Drone Day. International Drone Day is an annual event that takes place on the second Saturday in May. The day is dedicated to promoting awareness and education about drones, as well as highlighting their many applications and benefits. International Drone Day was first celebrated in 2015, and since then it has become a global event with activities and events taking place in many countries around the world. On this day, drone enthusiasts, industry professionals, and the public may participate in educational workshops, drone races, aerial photography and videography demonstrations, and other drone-related activities. Drones are becoming increasingly popular and are being used for a wide range of purposes, from aerial photography and videography to search and rescue operations, crop monitoring, and even delivery services. International Drone Day provides an opportunity to showcase the many uses and applications of drones, and to raise awareness about the potential benefits and challenges of this emerging technology. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.